Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is time for Frugal Tip Tuesday, guys. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys 8 frugal tips that's going to help you save money when doing your laundry. All right, guys, let's jump into it. Now, the tips are in no particular order, but let's start with the first one. One thing that I do to save money is after I wash my clothes, I literally hang them up. I have a drying rack, plus I have a clothes hangers that I keep in my laundry room that I actually hang things up underneath the shelf in my laundry room. So for our jeans, I never put those in the dryer. My blouses, my sweaters, the only thing that really basically gets dried in our house is towels, underwear, socks, sheets, and blankets, of course, and undershirts, like my husband's undershirts. But other than that, we are hanging those things up. And let me tell you why. My blouses, I wash them on delicate. Basically all my clothes I wash on delicate, all right? And I wash it in cold. The two things that's gonna do, one thing, it's gonna save on the heating of the water to actually wash those clothes, and it's gonna save on the wear and tear of my clothes. When you wash your things in hot water, it actually fades the coloring of it, okay? And when I wash my blouses, my dress clothes, the majority of my clothes is basically dress clothes except the jeans and stuff. It prolongs the life of my stuff, I'm telling you. I've got stuff that I've had for years. And do I go to the dry cleaner? Ham sandwich? No. Crystal does not go to the dry cleaner. Actually, that's the extra tip. I don't go to the dry cleaner, guys. I actually put my stuff on delicate, put it in the washing machine on delicate, and then I hang that sucker up. Okay? I promise you, I have even put some of my dress coats in the washing machine. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you one of my dress coats that I actually wash in the washing machine. Yes, I do, and it don't mess it up. Okay? I'm just saying. Now, as far as the hanging up of things, like my husband's t-shirts, okay, or his polo shirts, I actually hang them across the hanger instead of putting them in the hanger position, because what will happen, it will leave little peaks on your shoulders, so you don't want to do that. So I actually lay them across the hanger, and that works like a dream. Tell you again, I do the jeans, the blouses, the polo shirts, my husband's dress shirts, except some of his Brooks Brothers shirts or some other shirts that he may have that may be no iron shirts, and it tells you to put them in the dryer. Yeah, I will do that. Now, my tip number 2 is I don't do laundry during peak time for Duke Energy, okay? My power company is Duke Energy. You can just simply Google for whoever is your power company provider, what is the peak time, okay? When electricity actually costs more. Try not to wash during those times. Now, you guys know that's not a problem for Crystal, because Crystal ain't here during the day. I'm at work. So that's not a problem for me, but that's a simple thing that you can actually Google and check to see what is the peak times for your particular power provider to make sure that you're not washing during those peak times when it's going to cost you more, okay? Now, the third tip is to actually wash less clothes, all right? Now, I know. Y'all like, come on, Crystal. Yes, wash less clothes, all right? I'm not a sweater. Now, this is according to you as a person, all right? So, now, I'm not a sweater, okay? So, say, for instance, I wear a sweater, and I do the smell test. Smell that arm. Smell that arm, that thing don't stink. I'm folding it back up and I'm putting it on the shelf. I'm wearing him another day, okay? Number 1, I'm not wearing out my sweaters, okay? Keep washing them. It's gonna wear them out. They're gonna be linty. They're gonna be looking crazy, okay? And why? Like, what am I really doing all day, guys? I'm sitting on my butt all day in an office, okay? I ain't busting a grape like that. I promise you. I promise you I'm not. I break more sweat couponing than I do at work. I'm just saying. Now, jeans, especially jeans. Now, I'm doing a smell check. You know, you got to smell that crotch. You got to smell that crotch, that butt area, okay? Because if you had a sweaty butt during the day, or Sally ain't right, you know, you gonna have to wash them jeans. But do that smell check. Do that smell check. Them things smell fresh. Fold them things up, put it back on the shelf. No, we not. Because see, what's that going to do? That is going to wear your jeans out. If you wash your jeans, every time you wear them, I promise you, jeans are constructed to not have to do that, okay? Just saying, it's denim. Now, one thing I need to plug in here, so this is like a bonus tip for you guys. You got to make sure that you're wearing the correct deodorant, okay? If you're going to do this, you're going to have to make sure you're wearing the correct deodorant, because there's some people that have a strong odor. You know, if you know that you have a strong odor and once you wear clothes, your clothes still smell like your underarms, or once you wash your clothes still have a underarm smell, you may need to check to see if you're actually wearing the correct deodorant for you. Some people just need the clinical strength. It's nothing wrong with that. It just depends on your body chemistry. But if you need to do that, then do that, because I promise you, it will save you on clothes and it will save you on laundry, because you won't keep having to wash your things over and over trying to get rid of that underarm smell. All right. Now, tip number 4 is we're going to do full loads of laundry, okay? Don't be throwing 2 or 3 things in there, okay? You need to do full loads. It's going to defeat the purpose of washing on the non-peak hours for your power company. If you're going to turn around and be throwing, oh, I want to wear this tomorrow, so I'm going to throw this in the wash machine. No. We're not doing none of that over here. I'm not doing none of that over here. You get a full load before we put that in there, okay? Now, tip number 5 is for your dryer, all right? You're going to make sure that if you're going to have to dry some things, let's do some continuous loads here. If I'm doing sheets and I'm doing blankets and I'm doing towels, we're going to do some consecutive loads, because that way we can make usage of the heat that's in the prior load, instead of drying a load, waiting 30, 45 minutes, then drying another load. No, we're not about to do all that, okay? We're going to keep it moving, and that way the machine is not having to work as hard, okay? It was already hot. Tip number 6 is talking about the dryer, guys, because we are going to clean out that lint dispenser after every usage, okay? Number 1, first of all, you need to be doing that anyway, because lint from the dryer is extremely flammable, okay? I had a classmate in elementary school that her house burnt down because of the dryer, okay? So that just, that stuck with me as an adult, okay? So you guys need to make sure that you're emptying your lint dispenser after every use. For one thing, it's going to increase the airflow in the dryer. It's going to help your dryer be more efficient. It's going to do what it's supposed to do, instead of you having lint clogging up the filter, preventing it from doing what it's supposed to do, but just circulate the heat, okay? Tip number 7 is going to be, we're going to use the correct amount of laundry detergent, okay, for what you're washing and for the detergent that you're using, all right? Now, for one thing, you want to make sure that you're doing that, because like I have a high efficiency front loading washer. I only need to put that type of detergent in there. And the majority of detergents nowadays are that, but you want to make sure that you're putting the right amount in there, because if you don't put the right amount, you overwork the machine, because the machine senses the fact that it's soap still in it, and it will continue to extra work, okay? So you want to make sure that you're doing that. Also, it can affect your clothes. It can affect the cleanness of the clothes and the durability of the clothes and your washer. If you're using too much detergent or too little, it can affect all those things, okay? So you want to make sure that you're using the correct amount of detergent in a nutshell, okay? Number 8, I really don't do much ironing, okay, guys? I really don't. you've got to factor in that I've hung up my shirts, okay? I've hung up my shirts. I make good use of my Downy wrinkle release. I do. I'm lazy ironer. I really don't want to iron, okay? I will, but I'm not making no day of it, okay? I will use my Downy wrinkle release, which I've been using off of that stuff since I couponed for it way back when, and I probably would actually buy it because I just think it's a great product. This is not a sponsored video, but it works, okay? Now, if you don't want to buy the Downy wrinkle release, you can always take your clothes that you're planning on wearing. You got to go take your shower. You taking it the night before or the morning of. Take your clothes, hang them in the bathroom. Let the steam from the shower release the wrinkles, okay? You could always do that. Also, just how you fold your items. You know, once you get through doing your laundry, how you fold your clothes. Just keep consideration of that is going to prevent wrinkles. Overloaded closet, okay? Because when your clothes are all bunched up beside each other, it tends to wrinkle them, okay? But a lot of fabrics nowadays that we're buying, a lot of it, you know, it's kind of like not even necessary to iron things, just depending on what you're purchasing. But my jeans, because, you know, I fill out my jeans. So once I take them off the hanger from them air drying, I just go on and fold them up. I kind of, you know, stretch them out a little bit, fold them up, put them on the shelf. And then when I get ready to wear them things, they are good to go. I am not ironing no jeans. Now, if y'all want to be old school, let's see whoever remembers this, okay? Y'all want to be old school about it. You can take your jeans and put them in between your mattresses. Let's see who remembers that. Well, guys, that is all of your tips for today. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, please let me know in the comments below of the video. And if you have any frugal laundry tips that you would love to share with us, please leave it in the comments below of this video, guys. I'm so enjoying doing Frugal Tip Tuesday. I hope you guys are as well. If you are, let me know. Give it that thumbs up now. Give it that thumbs up. The thumbs up helps my channel. It helps other people get to see this video if they're not already a member of the coupon crew. When you give that thumbs up, it really helps my channel out. I appreciate you guys so very much. It lets YouTube know that, hey, somebody likes that video. We should suggest it to somebody else. And I'll be like, thank you. All right, guys, that is it. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you so very much. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.